Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Let's do an outfit of the day. I do not have a necklace. I do not have earring, and just like maybe this earring goes with these silver shoes. That's a good idea. Let's do it. Do not see my bone here. Okay, let's do it. Oh, low battery. Silver. I cannot help laughing. Oh, there's a pocket here. This is so good. I think I'm silly enough. Okay. With a natural pair of natural color shoes. Now you can see. Not need anything here. I think this is the most ridiculous to hold a bottle like this, but the more ridiculous, the more interesting, right? Okay, I think I am more than enough in my silliness. Thank you very, very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye, friends.